Hello guys, today we learn how to set up Visual Studio Code for C and C++ programming. For this you have required Visual Studio Code install on the system and also install with extension of C, C++ and code runner and one more MinGW compiler. So let us see how we follow this step and configure the Visual Studio Code for C, C++ programming. First, we need to open Visual Studio Code and click on Extension and search C++ and then install it. Now let us understand what C++ extension do. It's add a language support for C and C++ to Visual Studio Code, including editing and IntelliSense and debugging features. Then second, we can also need to install code runner for type in extension. We have installed C extensions. From taking an input from a user, you need to set up a run code. For this, you go to configuration, then check run the in terminal whether to run the code in integrated terminal mode. And let us see what is code runner. Code runner is a Visual Studio Code plugin that allows developer to run snippets written in a different programming languages. Other features also include running a code file in currently active directory editor or through the context menu, running selected code snippets. And third one also need to install the toolset MinGW compiler and set the part into system environment variable. Now you can check whether GC compiler is installed by the below in command prompt. So here you can see like source for .NET project MinGW. You can search from Google and type MinGW. This page will be open and you can download and install. After installations, what is MinGW native window port of the GNU compiler GCC is freely distributed import library and header files for building a native Windows application. Includes extension to the MSVC runtime to support C double line functionality. All the MinGW software will execute on the 64-bit Windows platform. After installing this MinGW compiler, we get the installation manager. After getting the installation manager, you can GNU for C and install it. After installing that package, you will check from prompt like GCC version. So you will get like minyalu.org 6.30, and after writing the code we can run the program. Let us see one by one. First we need to install Visual Studio. Already have installed on Visual Studio Code on the system Windows 10. For see the installation of Visual Studio Code, you can see our previous video. Now open Visual Studio Code, go to Start menu. Here you can see Visual Studio Code. In the left side you can see that is extensions. So for installing of extension C++, you can simply type C. Here you can see C++, IntelliSense debugging and code browsing. That is installation. So already have installed. Only you need to see here like install. When you click on install this extension will be installed on this Visual Studio Code. Same way also we required code runner. So type now code runner. Now when you type code runner, you can see there is code runner. Already you have installed this code runner in this system. Here you can go get the install button, click on install button, and this code runner will install. Now see what code runner will do. First, we need to install the Visual Studio Code. Then we need to install the code runner. 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 Then we need to install the code run Run a code since code file for multiple languages C, C++, Java and JavaScript, PHP, Python. After that, we need to install MinGW compiler. GW download. So first you can see there is MinGW installation. Click on this and where you see like MinGW minimis GNU for Windows. So click on that download link. File of setup has been downloaded and you need to right click on this, like open this PC, go to download and you can simply right click on this and run as administrator. So this way mean GW setup will be, click on install, will be installed. So after installing it you will get MinGW installation managers. So first we go, click on basic setups. So what you have need here, you can see we require GNU Objective C compiler. So simply check on this, like you can go like already have installed GNU Objective C compiler. Also when you need also install to CC plus compiler, same you can click on this and mark for installation. Marking you can update the catalog. So this compiler will be installed. Here you can see for running a C code in Visual Studio we need three things, like one itself Visual Studio code, other extensions of CC plus code runners, and also require min GW compilers. So all the things we have installed on this machine and Visual Studio course. Now see how the can test whether our program will be running fine or not. Simply go to file here. Now you can like click new and you can put test sample. So test.c, you maintain the extension of C. So test sample file will be created. Now write some sample code, include studio.h, after that integer main. Then here we write here printf welcome to C programming language and return 0. When we run the code, it will give the output welcome to C programming language. Now after running the code, where we will get the output or not, click on run code. Here you can see running test sample. This test sample welcome to C programming language. So you can see here output of the programs. Thanks for watching my YouTube videos. If you want to more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel.